So, my dear children, now the last two paragraphs of this chapter number 10, um, Gaj Katha, Kiddur Kandhoran, Gaj Katha. So, in the last part, we come to know that he used to go for this festival, and the people used to decorate him, उसे सजाते थे, and he has some special type of decoration, how he allows the people to get on him. उसके पीछे भाग से वो उसे उन्हें ऊपर चढ़ने देता था. He never allows anyone to climb from his front part. Only who can climb from the front part? The people who are going to put idol or keep or place idol on him. Okay. Then he was knowing each and every timing, at what time where to stop, when to start, everything he was knowing. That means he was very punctual elephant. Okay, so nobody has to guide him. He can do everything by his own because he is very experienced. उसे सब पता था कि उसे कहाँ रुकना है, कहाँ चलना है. Now in next paragraph, this paragraph, let's read it. अनेक विस्मयकारी घटनाएं कण्ठोरन के साथ जुड़ी हुई है. बहुत से लोग कण्ठोरन को लकड़ी उठवाने ले जाते थे. सो अनेक, मैनी, विस्मयकारी घटनाएं. विस्मयकारी मीन्स वेरी अमेजिंग इंसिडेंट्स. घटनाएं, इंसिडेंट्स कण्ठोरन के साथ जुड़ी हुई है. सो मैनी अमेजिंग इंसिडेंट्स आर अटैच्ड विथ कण्ठोरन. कण्ठोरन के साथ जुड़ी हुई है, जुड़ी हुई, अटैच्ड. बहुत से लोग कण्ठोरन को लकड़ी उठवाने ले जाते थे. बहुत से लोग, मैनी ऑफ द पीपल टेक कण्ठोरन टू लिफ्ट द लॉग. लकड़ी उठवाना, LOG, लॉग. टू लिफ्ट द लॉग, टू लिफ्ट द वुड. ओके. तना चाहे जितना मोटा और लंबा क्यों न हो. तना, द ट्रंक ऑफ ए ट्री. तना मीन्स अ ट्रंक ऑफ ए ट्री. जितना मोटा, मोटा मीन्स थिक, और लंबा, लंबा, लॉन्ग क्यों न हो, कण्ठोरन उसे आसानी से उठा लेता था. कण्ठोरन वॉज एबल टू लिफ्ट इट वेरी ईजीली. आसानी से, ईजीली उठा लेता था. उठाना, टू लिफ्ट. महावत और मंदिर के अधिकारियों की फ़ीस के अलावा कण्ठोरन को भी देना होता था. सो नॉट ओनली दैट, महावत और मंदिर के अधिकारियों, द कमिटी ऑफ दैट टेम्पल, they were having the fees for it because they are sending their elephant for some work to lift the log of other people of other places, and for that those people have to give them remuneration or fees or whatever we can say, kuli. Okay. Alawa, but not only that, not only to Mahavat and the committee members they have to pay, they have to give something to Kandhoran also. Kandhoran को भी देना होता था. So what, for not only the fees was should be given to Mahot and the people of temple or the committee members of the temple, but the people who have taken Kandhoran, they have to pay the fees to Kandhoran also. Now what is Kandhoran's fees? काम होने के बाद, आफ्टर डूइंग हिज वर्क, मेहनताना, मेहनताना मीन्स रेम्यूनरेशन, दैट मीन्स फीस, रेम्यूनरेशन, फीस दिया जाए तो कण्ठोरन लकड़ी को पहले की जगह डाल देता था. सो इफ़ ही हैज़ नॉट गिवन, इफ़ ही डिड नॉट गेट हिज फीस, उसे अगर उसकी फ़ीस नहीं मिलती तो क्या करता, देन व्हाट ही डू, ही अगेन टेक दैट लॉग एंड पुट दैट लॉग टू द सेम प्लेस. So what is the criteria of Kandhoran? He used to lift the log and he used to keep or place it wherever the people asked him to do it. But if they don't give him his fees, what did he do? He again take it and put at the same place. Okay, so that much stubborn he was. Now here one more thing is there. वह काम भी केवल प्रधान महावत के साथ ही करता था, अन्य महावतों के साथ कभी भी काम नहीं करता था. ही ओनली वर्क विथ वन पैराग्राफ आई हैव मिस्ड हियर, यू मे लुक इन योर पेज नंबर 71. वह काम भी केवल प्रधान महावत के साथ करता था. ही यूज्ड टू डू हिज वर्क ओनली विद द चीफ महोत्स. अन्य महावतों के साथ कभी भी काम नहीं करता था. ही नेवर डू हिज वर्क विथ एनी अदर महावत और अदर माहौत. सो वॉट एवर वर्क ही डू, he only do with his chief mahots. Okay. Now here one story is given, one incident of him is given, because in first stanza we said no, if he did not get his feast, what he do, he take the thing again and put it there the same place where he had lifted from. एक बार एक व्यक्ति एक बड़े तने को उठाकर रखवाने के लिए कंठोरन को ले आया. नाउ यू नो दैट एलिफेंट्स आर यूज्ड टू लिफ्ट द लॉग एंड put take to one place, take it from one place to another. So one day one man came. Vyakti means a person. A man came बड़े तने को उठाकर, and he ordered, he went and said to the people of committee that he want Kandhoran to lift his log from one place to another place. उठाकर रखवाने के लिए कंधोरन को ले आया. So he brought कंधोरन for that work. मंदिर के अधिकारी और महावत सहमत थे. So मंदिर के अधिकारी, the committee members of that मंदिर, and that means the authority of that temple, और महावत सहमत थे. सहमत accepted, they were ready to send कंधोरन for this work. कंठोरन के देने के लिए केले के 10 गुच्छे, 10 नारियल और 1 मन गुड़ तय हुआ. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस कंदोरन्स फीस दैट डे? कंदोरन्स फीस वाज केले के 10 गुच्छे, 10 bunches. 10 मीन्स 10, गुच्छे bunches, 10 bunches of banana, 10 bunches of banana, 10 नारियल, 10 कोकोनट, नारियल कोकोनट, और 1 मन गुड़, and 1 sack jaggery. गुड़ मीन्स jaggery. You know what is jaggery? शर्करा. Okay. तय हुआ, तय होना, to be decided. So what is decided? What is the feast of Kandhoran that day? When the man called him, man took him to take his log from one place to another. The feast was decided as 10 bunches of banana, then 10 coconuts, and 1 sack full of jaggery. Okay. महावत और कंठोरन ने नियत स्थान पर तना रख दिया, लेकिन काम हो जाने के बाद उस व्यक्ति ने कंठोरन को नियत परिश्रमिक नहीं दिया. सो महावत और कंठोरन ने नियत एज टोल्ड प्रॉपर फिक्स्ड प्लेस. ओके. महावत और कंठोरन ने नियत स्थान पर एट अ प्रॉपर प्लेस क्या रख दिया? दैट तना. तना मीन्स ट्रंक. TRUNK, trunk of a tree. You may see in the picture that he is holding one log. Okay, log of a tree. लेकिन काम हो जाने के बाद, when the work is done, व्यक्ति ने, that person, कंधोरन को, to कंधोरन, नियत परिश्रमिक नहीं दिया. नियत परिश्रमिक means fixed or proper remuneration or proper fees. What is what fees was decided? 1 bunch of banana, 1 केले का गुच्छा, 10 नारियल, 10 केले के गुच्छे, 10 banana bunches, 10 नारियल, 10 coconut, and 1 sack full of jaggery was decided. Good was decided, but that man refuses to give it to him. Then what happened? उसे कुछ दिन बाद देने की बात कही. He said that he can't give it now because he don't have it now. He will give his fees after some days. यह सुनकर, listening that, कंठोरन को गुस्सा आया. कंठोरन was very angry because he did the work. Now he want the fees also, and his fees is not money. His fees is only what he eats. Okay. So he was angry when the man said that today I can't give his remuneration, his fees. I will give it later after some days. कंठोरन, listening that, कंठोरन को गुस्सा आया. उससे बहुत गुस्सा आया, वो बहुत गुस्सा हो गया. He was very angry. उसने उसी समय क्या किया? तने को उठाकर पूर्व स्थान पर रख दिया. Now because of that angerness, because he's so angry, he's not getting his fees at the right time. So what did he do? He lift that log again. उसने उसी समय, that same time, same moment, तने को उठाकर he lifted that log, पूर्व स्थान पर रख दिया. Again he kept it back to the place from where he brought it. So that much stubborn he was. वह व्यक्ति तने को पूर्व स्थान पर देखकर चकित रह गया. Now that man was surprised. Again the log is at the same place from where कंधोरन lifted. He was very astonished, surprised. चकित रह गया. चकित रह जाना, to be astonished, to be surprised. Then what happened? दूसरे बहुत से हाथियों को बुलाकर उसने उसे उठाने की कोशिश की. As that log is very heavy and big or long, he brought another elephants to lift it, but he was not success. He couldn't succeed in that because no elephant can lift it because of the heaviness. Okay, कोशिश की, he tried, लेकिन वह खिसका भी नहीं, he couldn't move at all. So that log was too heavy and too big that no other elephant can move it from that. In that place also they couldn't move it. Okay, but it was only Kandhoran who can lift that log. अंत में कंधोरन की बहुत मिन्नतें की. अंत में at last that man again came to Kandhoran and he requested Kandhoran, please you only come and take my log and keep it, replace it. पर उसने मना कर दिया. But Kandhoran didn't go with them. Okay, और लकड़ी वहीं पड़ी रही, and that लकड़ी, that log was there itself. So because why Kandhoran did that? Because he understood, or he understand that that man cheated him. First he said that he will give his fees. And what is the fees? Once again tell me, my children, what is the fees? 10 गुच्छे केले के 10 गुच्छे, 10 bunches of bananas, 10 नारियल, 10 कोकोनट और 1 मन गुड़ तय हुआ. So his fees was 10 bunches of bananas, 10 coconuts and 1 sack full of jaggery, sharkara. Good means jaggery, sharkara. But that man refuses to give him. He didn't refuse it. He said that he can't give it now. He will give after some days. But Kandhoran was not ready for that because he wanted his fees at the right time. And what did he do? Again, he lifted that log and kept it at the same place from where he brought it. And looking that, the man was astonished, and he tried other elephants to move it, but no elephant can move that because of the heaviness. And again that man understood that what he did was wrong to Kandhoran. So he came back, he say sorry to him, he apologizes, but and not only apologized, he requested Kandhoran to keep the log again, to replace it, to keep it again to the place where he wanted to keep. But Kandhoran refused to go with him because he understand that that man is cheater and he couldn't stay more with these cheating people. So do you understand this chapter? How dedicated, how sincere and how wise this Kandhoran elephant was. Okay, I hope you understand this chapter. Read this once again properly, and uh, read each and every tough words, understand it, and many words I have written here itself. So try to learn it, understand the chapter properly. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.